Hey guys, if you are just starting out to invest or want to learn more about crypto, Coinbase is a great platform to get started. It has been around for years. I definitely have some trust in putting my hard-earned money in this well-known platform. You've probably heard of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies by now. The market has been a wild ride this past year. Well, Coinbase is where you can purchase it safely and securely. This is a place where I like to invest long-term and to not look at it for years. So I've bought some Bitcoin and Ethereum, and since then, I believe it'll give me a great return over time. I buy it there, set it, and forget it. It does take out a 1.49% transaction fee if you're using a US bank account at the time of this video. So it's better, in my opinion, to make as few transactions as possible. If you're a passive investor like me, or you're an active trader, Coinbase is a simple website that is easy to navigate and dip your feet in the water. Yes, there is the Robinhood app too, but sometimes there are certain cryptocurrencies that aren't available on that mobile app, like Polygon Matic, at this time of this video. You would need to go to Coinbase to buy it there instead. In my perspective, both has its pros and cons. I like using Coinbase on my desktop, and it prevents me from looking at it and getting too emotional when there are certain days of volatility. When you sign into Coinbase, you're going to be asked to verify and add in a code, which you need to get from the Google Authenticator app. This is for extra security, which is great. It's all free. They have an app also if you prefer that option. With Robinhood, since I have my phone around me a lot, it's easy access and you'll want to check it all the time. And the user interface is very colorful and sort of acts like a game, so make sure you're careful and not wooed by the fun, cool appearance. If you like more of these videos, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and press that notification bell to get quicker updates. Thanks for watching.